Little flavor enhancer.
Oh, yeah. Actually, these hogs were grinning going to slaughter knowing they were going to get a little cookies flavor enhancer on them. They were lining up.
What's up, people? Jake Dawson here in the Cookies Kitchen. I'm here with Speed the Sauce Man. What's going on, Speed?
Tell you what, we're going to kiss some stuff with the nectar of the gods. A little cookies barbecue sauce. We're going to make a fruited pork chop.
A fruited pork chop. What else are we going to get into?
You know what goes good with fruited pork chops?
Yeah.
Moonshine.
Moonshine.
All those are browning. Then we got to season them, of course, with
Little flavor enhancer.
oh yeah. After we've got these turned over, what do we do now?
We put the lid on it.
No.
We take a shot of moonshine.
You got her.
Pure stuff.
Yeah, that pure stuff.
All right, cheers.
Ah, that's tasty, isn't it? I can feel actually more brain cells coming alive right as we speak.
Woo.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel alive.
Put the lid on this, will you? Now we're on to the peaches,
What
and
are we
then
throwing in with a little tangy stuff?
we got now our Western style barbecue sauce. It's got a little minced onion and cayenne pepper in it. So now we're going to put the pork chops back in there. Notice that's kind of simmering.
What do you do when you wait?
If we had more moonshine, I suppose we could drink more moonshine, but then we'd get to the point where we couldn't enjoy the pork chops, you know. So let's delid them.
Smelling pretty peachy.
Perfection in a mouthful.
Absolutely divine. How about that one?
That was good, yeah.
Yeah. What's next? We got ribs, we got bacon, we got some dip. What do you want to eat?
All of it. I call it candied bacon.
How long was this in the smoker for?
This is in the smoker for about 25 minutes.
Okay. Dang, that was good.
We've got ribs here. We'll shoot it.
Drench that.
Yeah, see now these were already seasoned with flavor enhancer before we put them on the smoker. If you're real good, I'll let you eat one of them.
All right. Have I been good?
Yeah, you've been good.
All right, let's dig in. Very juicy.
Okay, it's got a block of cream cheese, a couple cups of white chicken meat cooked and put in there. And then I put about a half, 3/4 of a cup of ranch dressing. And then half a cup of our Wings and Things hot sauce. And half a cup or so of mozzarella cheese. Just put that in a crock pot and heat it up. Got a little kick to it, but not a wipeout. Well, we did good, Jake. Been a fun time.
Thank you for showing me the ways.
You betcha. Well, thank you, Jake. Appreciate it. Have a good one.